Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is going to be a short flow to stretch and get you moving. No props needed. All levels welcome. Let's begin. At the top of your mat, stand tall. Find good posture. Stand evenly between both feet. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Bring your awareness to the breath. Arrive. Inhale. Reach the arms overhead. Lift up, look up. Long exhale, forward fold over both legs. Step the right foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot, right angle with the left knee. Press off of the back foot, step to the top of your mat, relax over both legs. Press up to standing. Arms overhead. Lift up, look up. Bend the knees and forward fold. Left foot back to a lunge. Step off of the back foot and forward fold. Round up to standing. Bring the palms to touch. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Lift up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. And from this look up position, place your hands down and step back to a plank pose. Downward facing dog. Feet about hip width, hands shoulder width. Press back, try to press your heels down. The knees will straighten over time. Lower your knees to the mat. 2, a cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, level the gaze. Long exhale, round the spine, press everything away. Once more, inhale. Open up the front of your body. And exhale, round and tuck. Neutral spine. Sit back on your heels and bring yourself to a comfortable seated position. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Let's lift the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Lift up, switch sides. Keep the sit bones down. Nice long reach. Both arms overhead. Left hand meets the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist to the right. Right hand behind you, left hand to the right knee. Sit up tall. Release through center, arms overhead, lift up. Twist to the left. Closing breath through center. Inhale, reach your arms wide and overhead. Lift up, reach up, more air, breathe in. Long exhale, lower your hands down to by your sides or heart center. Gratitude for your practice. Thank you for joining me. I am so lucky for your presence. Let me know if you enjoyed this with a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.